Alright guys, so decided to make this video just explaining where I've been, what I've been doing, why I haven't been uploading. So, as you all know, I got out of the hospital about a month and a half ago, and after that there were still a lot of doctor's visits and trying to deal with having a new chronic condition. And yeah, I just had to catch up with schoolwork too, because of all of it that I missed. So I'm way behind still right now, even 2 months later. But I really want to make content for you guys. Don't think that I just don't want to make content anymore. But editing is the part that is really holding me up, because editing takes forever. Every video that you guys see takes me about 2 or 3 hours to edit. So I have two options here: either wait until I can get everything at least partially sorted out and then upload, which I don't want to do because that means you guys are going to have to wait longer, or the quality of the videos is going to be way lower because I'm just going to upload raw clips because I can't sustain doing this. So let me know what you guys want me to do. I just don't have the time to do it right now as much as I would love to. It's what I love to do, obviously. Yeah, I'm at a loss right now, but I don't want to let you guys down, and I really want to have a career in YouTube or just making money off doing what I love. So just let me know what you guys would want me to do. I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks, and even before that, I haven't been uploading as regularly as I used to. I used to upload twice a week. Now, back then I used to upload once every 1 or 2 weeks, and now I haven't uploaded in a while. Yeah, I just wanted to update you guys as to what's going on. It's not that I don't care. It's not that I don't want to do it. It's just that I can't deal with it right now. It's not happening for me. Some days I just don't even have the motivation to even go outside and ride, which is what I love to do. But yeah, let me know what you guys want me to do. I can post some raw footage that I have. It's not the best, but it's what I got. If you guys enjoy that content, then let me know. It'll take a lot of weight off my back of trying to make the best video possible every time. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys' support. I know you guys have a lot of support for me, and I really, really appreciate that. And that's why I'm trying to get some content out for you guys. I don't want to leave you disappointed. But I will see you guys whenever I'm able to upload. Thank you. Don't give up on me. I'm trying not to give up on you. And yeah, peace.